Welcome to this tutorial on Algo.Py's one-click strategy backtest and deployment feature. Let's dive right in. Before we backtest a strategy, we need data. Luckily, Algo.Py has us covered. We navigate to the Data Utilities section to fetch and store market data using Algo.Py's custom data layer. Here, we select our market, timeframe, number of data points, and suffix. For this demo, I'm fetching 15-minute BTC pair data from Binance. We could also calculate technical indicators, but I'll skip that for now. If you want to monitor progress in detail, you can check the command line output. Once the data fetch is complete, let's verify that we have everything we need. And here we go. We've successfully downloaded data for 481 symbols. Now we head over to the Strategy Backtest Dashboard. I'll select the 15-minute time frame and choose a strategy. Let's go with the EMA crossover strategy. I'll be adding more strategies soon, along with a detailed tutorial on how to create your own. Now we select the assets. Just one for now. Then we configure the strategy parameters and backtest settings. And click Run Backtest. Boom! The backtest completes in under a second. Now we can analyze detailed statistics, including Sharpe ratio, Sortino ratio, and other key performance metrics. We can also view a returns chart for better insight. Let's try it again, this time with a few more assets. We run the backtest, and once again, it's done instantly. Now let's save this backtest by clicking on Save Portfolio. You can view all saved backtests in this section, along with a quick performance overview. But what's even cooler, you can deploy a backtest in just one click. Clicking Deploy opens up the Strategy Deployment Dashboard, where all details are automatically pre-filled. Now we select our broker. I'm choosing Telegram for debugging. Make sure you have your .env file set up before this step, otherwise the deployment will fail. This .env file contains your Binance or Telegram API credentials, along with other configurations. Next, we configure the scheduler settings. I'm setting it to run every 1 minute. This means, every minute, Algo.Py will fill in any data gaps, run your strategy on the latest market data, generate fresh entry or exit signals, and automatically execute them on your broker. Since I'm using Telegram for debugging, I instantly receive a message. Let's check the logs. Right now, the data frame is empty, which means there were no new signals for this strategy in the last minute. You can also download logs, stop the deployment scheduler, and even run multiple strategies simultaneously, which will keep running, even if the dashboard crashes or restarts. That's it for today. You can check out the official documentation for more details, or ask questions on the official Discord. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to write your own strategies from scratch. See you there.